Hello, I'm Kat. Welcome to my channel. You have arrived. I got a really fun surprise video today, and in this video I have recreated the Monster High character Operetta. So let's jump right into it. I'm going to kick this video off with priming my face and then move on to my eyes. Picking up an orange shade, I'm going to work this right into my crease, really nice and sloppily, and keep building the color. Then I'm going to take this nice yellow shade, and of course, as you saw, I cut the crease and apply and apply and apply for a nice, beautiful, bright yellow. Now, I wanted to make that crease a little bit more intense, so I picked up a red, and then I took another orange shade here and blended out that red shade. Quickly using a liquid eyeliner, I'm going to make some nice mid-size wings and make them just nice and bold, and then smacking on some eyelashes. I got these years and years ago. I don't even know if they still sell them, but I'll put them in the description box below for you guys. Time to make the face purple, and it's not scary at all. So I'm quickly showing you some of the essential items that I'm going to use right now. So I take the tweezers, I scrape off some of the shadow that I need and mix it in with my foundation. And then once I have my desired color, I go ahead and apply everywhere. So all the places that are going to be showing, depending on what your outfit is, your costume, just get everywhere. And also don't forget your ears. Now setting all of this with some high definition powder and then brushing away the excess. I wasn't really happy with the eyeshadow, like the placement of it, so I went ahead and lifted it up a lot higher, hashtag hooded eye problems, defined everything, and I absolutely love the way it turned out. Now for the brows, using a beautiful purple liquid lipstick from Too Faced. I applied this and created my brows, and I am so happy with how this turned out. So easy, so simple, and it did not stain my skin. Now for contouring, I'm going to pick up this nice purple shade in the Sugar Pill palette that I created. So I got my cheekbones, I did my forehead, underneath my jawline, my nose, and around my mouth. Applying some Tarte Shape Tape to the lash line here, then that nice yellow shade from the Lemonade palette, and then going in with a glide-on pencil in the waterline and a little more yellow in the inner corner. Now to make these faux lashes, I used a liquid eyeliner and then just drew a couple at the bottom there, lined the bottom waterline, and voila, now the scar. This scar was so fun to create. So the first step that I took was taking a nice purple pencil and I just kind of mapped out where I wanted everything. Once I have that, I'm going to take a nice really tiny angle brush and go right over that same pattern. It helps to make the pattern pop and also sets the pencil that I used. And once that's complete, no, we're not done. We have a couple more steps. Then I'm going to use a darker shade to help shade everything, and then I'm using from Mayron their water-based white paint and hitting all the highlighting spots. Now Operetta's scar is more like musical notes, but I was running out of sun, I was running out of time, so I had to do it this way. After applying my liquid lipstick, I put some Amrezy highlight on the inner portion of my lips, created a beauty mark, and then went ahead and set it, but I didn't forget it. I continued to add a couple more things to become Operetta. Thank you so much everyone for checking out today's video, and a couple more creations I added to this was my red wig. I added the buns. I also drew on the spider tattoo that she has. These earrings, I actually took apart an older pair I had and made the new ones, and my husband cut out this heart-shaped mask for me. I painted it and added the handle, and now I give you Operetta. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and I also linked down below Lex from Made You Look, her video. I actually recorded this last Halloween and she inspired me to get it out. My Monster High creation of Operetta. Take care, guys.
Stop putting food in your mouth. My name, Catherine.